Today we are making a delicious Winter Wonderland punch. It is so easy to make and so cute. My name is Aliena and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing I'm going to add to my punch bowl is my pineapple juice, and I have just 4 cups of pineapple juice going in. Next, to give the blue color to our drink, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of blue curacao. Blue curacao is pretty much just triple sec. It's an orange liqueur. So if you want to just substitute this with triple sec and then add in blue food coloring, you can do that as well. To add a little bit of lightness as well as creaminess to our drink, especially because I find pineapple juice sometimes gets to my stomach. So it's nice to balance it with something that is a little bit thicker and has some protein like coconut milk. So I'm adding 2 cups of coconut milk to my punch. Next, if you want to keep making it boozy, I have some rum right here, and it's just some white rum. And I'm going to add 2 cups of white rum to my drink. As always, you can add or subtract the alcohol level to your liking. So you can add anywhere from 1 to 2 cups, or you can omit this step and not add anything at all. To create our Winter Wonderland glasses, what I'm doing is just taking a bit of Pillsbury frosting. You can make this from scratch or you can just buy it. You just want to make sure it has a really nice white color, and all my butter is pretty yellow, so I splurged and I got some Pillsbury. Or you can use honey or simple syrup, just really anything to make the coconut stick onto your glass. But I like using white frosting because it really gives that snowy vibe. So I just take a knife and run my frosting all the way around the outside of my glass, and then you can just dip it in to your shredded coconut. As always, this is completely optional. You don't have to decorate your glasses, but I always think it's fun when you're having people over to have all these glasses decorated when they come in, and they can just pour themselves a drink and enjoy. And now it is time to taste our creation. That is so delicious. It's so refreshing, and it tastes very tropical, which is kind of fun to have in the middle of winter. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all happy holidays. Cheers!